Welcome back, everyone. If you're struggling to get creative when it comes to quick but healthy dinner options, our next guest is here to help. In our What's Cooking segment today, we welcome food and culture expert from Chinese Southern Belle, Natalie Keng. Welcome.
Ni hao, y'all.
I love it. I was like, wait a minute. Southern, and I like we're bringing a little taste of the East. Tell me how it all came about.
Well, my background is actually in public policy and Asian studies. And so even though I was born and raised in Smyrna, Georgia, I went up north to go to school. So I got my Yankee experience. And then I came back home. I wanted to be closer to my family and capture the stories, the Buddha to Bubba stories.
Yes.
So my mom and I started doing dinner parties, and folks started asking me about how to cook and shopping tips, where to get the ingredients.
Sure.
And I'm like, maybe I could bring it all together in terms of using food as a gateway.
Perfect. And I know that we want to get started because you're going to show us a 1-minute stir fry. So just so we don't run out of time, let's get started and we can turn on all the burners. And what I love is that she's going to show you don't have to have a wok. If you do, great. If you don't, we're just using a regular skillet. So
right. My mom
no
actually uses a cast iron skillet.
Okay, perfect. Good to know.
So you can do the wok and I'll do the regular to show that we have dueling skillets, and you don't need to have any special tools as well.
Okay, are you good with that?
You can use this regular.
Now, before the show, you were saying that you liked the
cleaver.
The cleaver. You can tell
it's very multi-purpose.
I know my way around the kitchen. It's multi-purpose.
My favorite. It's just great. You can use it as a tenderizer. You can slice. You can scoop. I can do everything, leave it to cleaver.
I love it. I want a class. Let's do that
But if
class.
you don't have one, you can use a regular knife too.
Okay.
And if you don't like chopping and shopping or you're just too tired to cook, you can do the pre-cut vegetables.
I know, I do that sometimes. Well, hey, time is of the essence. So when the kids have practice and tutoring, that's an easy option as well. But let's start off with all of the ingredients so everyone at home can write these down.
Yep. So you turn on the ingredients are any fresh vegetables that you like. It can be one or a medley. A little bit of vegetable oil, something that can take a medium to high heat. The best home chef secret I can give you is the 3 Gs. The fresh ginger, garlic, and green onion. And we have a mixture right here. And then you grab your favorite stir-fry sauce or teriyaki sauce. I make my own.
Oh, of course you do. Okay.
Our home chef secret.
All right.
Ancient Chinese secret. And then we have some toasted sesame oil.
Okay, awesome. All right, let's dive right in. Now I'll put my scripts down. We're basically gonna have a little duel. Now I know who's gonna win there. Was that too soon? Was that too soon?
It's okay. We can improv.
Okay, good.
Normally I would have.
Oh gosh, you're okay.
That's all right.
See, I'm
bit
already
of oil
messing up.
You can do it any way you
Got
want.
it.
It's very forgiving.
Okay, good.
And then you want to put your 3 Gs in.
Look at Sean is laughing. He's like, Christine, see what happens when you guys get me in the kitchen. Okay.
Put your 3 Gs in over there. It's great. As soon as you start cooking up the 3 Gs, everyone will come out of their holes in their rooms, right?
Exactly.
And say, what are you cooking up?
Okay, so we have our oil.
So you hear the sizzle?
Yes.
And you smell the aroma? So you want 色香味. That's a Chinese saying. You want to look good, smell good, and feel good, right?
I love
in your walk and in life as well.
I couldn't agree more.
All right,
now
my sauce.
Here's our sauce. Now, do you have a place where we can get your homemade sauce if we feel so creative and want to make it?
Well, we are at some of the farmers markets, and we're getting into some of the local natural grocery stores.
Good for you.
So
maybe we'll put the recipe on our website or our Facebook page. We'll have Trent do that.
Check out the website. So you see how you're just stirring it up, right?
Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I forgot.
Your finishing oil, the toasted oil.
Got it. The toasted oil.
Yep. And if you like it saucier, you can add more sauce.
Okay, I kind of do.
You like it saucier here. You can add more sauce.
We were talking when I was
mix and match too.
Kind of getting to know you before the show, how you do like healthy, but every now and then, and this is healthy, by the way. These are veggies. You could throw in your chicken. You could throw in some shrimp.
Exactly.
But, you know, you also like a lot of flavor, and that's where I imagine the sauce comes in, right?
Right. I mean, I love salads and sandwiches. I love Nancy salads, of course, but sometimes you're just in the mood for something hot and a little saucy, right? You want to get your craving, and Chinese takeout is good for cravings, but it's not always very healthy.
No, it is
not. And they brown it in brown sauce. So you see the home chef version?
Yeah. Look at this guy.
You are a pro.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow.
I'm going to hire you.
It takes one to know one, yes.
So you see, you don't need any special equipment. I love it.
Except I just got to remember to add the oil first.
That's all right. You're done.
Well,
so 60 seconds? 60
I wanted to make sure we hit the 60 seconds.
We're done. So make sure you turn off your heat. Don't let it get soggy in the pan.
That was going to be my next question, because there's that perfect al dente, like, you know, where it's not overcooked, not undercooked, just right. And so
looky here.
How do we achieve that?
So don't let it sit in the wok. As soon as you add your sauce, because sodium, the salt will let the liquid come out of the vegetable. So take it off of the heat. Do you see how fast we did that?
I love it.
I've already turned off your heat.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you're ready to go.
This looks amazing.
A fork or chopstick?
I'm going to do the fork. While you tell us about some of the other ways and variations of this dish. Let's
Sure.
start.
The reason I love it so much is because it's very adaptable and versatile, right?
Okay.
So you can be vegetarian or you can be meat lover. And since it's spring,
so
you
good.
like it so fast. You made it.
Hey, I made it. Yeah.
You can do the spring lettuce wraps, which folks love, and it's so healthy and easy. So you can do it as a leftover makeover. Just add it on. Add your chicken if you want, or keep it vegetarian. You can do mushy burritos, a Chinese spaghetti, which is our childhood favorite that my mom makes.
Oh, I love that.
Just put it over any
With the
noodles or
noodles?
pasta.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be Asian noodles. You can turn it into a soup. Just add a little water, right? Add a little bit more sauce, and especially during the fall and winter time. Hot noodle soup is really nutritious. And then those popular Asian bowls. All you do is just top it off, and you can add your own protein, meat, or veggie.
I love it. And for anybody who doesn't know the history of stir fry, tell us more about it
Sure.
as
well,
I eat my lunch.
China, Asia is a vast place, right? And so mostly agricultural and farming. So you have to have lots of vegetables. Meat is a luxury, and you have to share. So it's a very communal dish.
Really?
Also, it has to be bite-sized for the chopsticks.
Yes, have a bite.
Right?
Yes, it's delicious.
So you want to be able to be versatile with any season or region or climate.
Right.
And so you can adapt it to the Cantonese seafood near the coast for fresh seafood, scallops or shrimp, or inland with the Sichuan spicy beef with the dried chilies.
Yes.
And then bringing it home then with a lot of the local farmers markets that we have. I love just going to find whatever's in season.
Right.
It could be rutabaga, collard, or chard, right?
And you just toss it in.
It can be one vegetable or a medley. If you don't have time, like I said, you can buy the pre-cut. Those salad kits are really handy.
Yeah, they really are. And I know before we go, I want to mention that you do have classes. If you can see that I could whip this up in a minute, you can as well. Believe you me. All right, tell me more about those.
Sure. You can get more information on ChineseSouthernBelle.com, but we do custom classes. We do Asian market tours. I do Buford Highway tours. I can come to your house or office. No kitchen required, and we travel.
That is incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
This is
It was so
delicious.
fun.
And you can find more recipes and information on the cooking classes that we mentioned. As she said, it's ChineseSouthernBelle.com.